Chola is a Malayalam word which means shade, shelter, stream, etc. For me, for my wife, and for our life, Chola is literally that, a shade, a shelter, and a stream of love. We live with friends, family, so it has to be interactive. We need to live together and spend time together. Completely open to the nature. The paddy field is very much visible from here.
Openness, visual connectivity, play of light, ventilation are given prime importance during the design of Chola without compromising the primary privacy requirements.
Chola is located at Chalisheri. Now, Chalisheri is a rural village in Kerala.
When the idea of home came to our mind, we just wanted a shaded, secluded, yet open space that's away from the busy, bustling professional life, where we could spend our evenings, weekends with family and friends.
It's basically a 50-cent rectangular plot, and on the eastern side there's a paddy land. So basically you enter like this, you have your porch, and from here you enter the sit out, a built-in seat on in an L shape, where you have your shoe rack and all that below it.
As in, I would say the western facade of this residence is very much, it's an introvert kind of a facade. Transition happens when the main door gets opened. And this is totally extroverted. What we have tried here is to get the essence of Kerala traditional architecture, and we have taken that out and put it in a very contemporary setting. So that's how we have done the the architectural language. Chola is basically an L-shaped main structure and then a tilted squarish block, which is the guest block, and we have connected that with a veranda. That's a basic geometry. This is where we enter from the sit out. The place I'm sitting right now is actually the central spine of this whole residence. This space is special in a way, like when you open the main door, usually you get inside your house. Here it's directly opposite. Also influenced by traditional ponds, even though this is a Paka swimming pool in that sense, it is conceived in a way that you might think it's a natural pond. Not even a single tile is used, it's all laterite.
So there's a beautiful mango tree over here.
We get to see so many varieties of birds coming here and drinking water.
Here is your drawing room. It's multifunctional. Client meetings happen over here.
Yeah, we have gone for a retro kind of checkered pattern for the verandas. So I've used that 45-degree tilt for the entire residence for that pattern. Chessboard has been crafted inside that checkered pattern.
And one of the specific requirement was to have a guest block separate from the main residential block. If required, can be converted into a homestay in future as a later stage retirement income option.
From here you enter the guest block at ground level, and you have a bathroom here.
Used a sliding folding door from dining to veranda. enter to the dining and close this folding door, then only it's a closed space.
You enter the dining, kitchen part.
We wanted to have a wooden louver window along with the stair facing west.
Dining seat is actually part of the step itself. So from this interactive space, you climb up towards the first floor living on top of the sit out.
Where we are standing right now is the central portion of this whole residence. From here you access the first floor bedrooms, the veranda connecting to the guest block. We actually wanted the landscape to flow in to our interiors, the living or to the verandas. Dining and kitchen is visible, and an attic is also visible. From attic, living is visible, dining is visible, so that visual connectivity is there. So right now we are at the master bedroom. It's actually accessible from the first floor living, and then there is a glazed opening to the balcony and facing east. From the living room, there's a small veranda leading to the guest block. There are two access leading to this bedroom actually. From living room, the first floor living room, you can access it through a connecting veranda, and you can also access that right from ground floor. We have water tank on top of the bathroom in this guest bedroom.
And here the fig tree stands between the guest block and the main block through this triangular courtyard. From here, this veranda, you go up towards the attic, the balcony on top of kitchen dining area.
The architectural structural part, that coordination is the toughest part which we always face. Here it's in-house, and at times we quarrel each other, that is there, but then maybe that's part and parcel of every husband and wife story. There are a lot of traditional architectural marvels in this part of the world. These, or the traditional architecture of Kerala, the dominant roof forms or the exposed laterite walls, the pond or the intricate wooden works and all that have definitely influenced us while designing Chola. But then here the paddy land is lying, without cultivation for so much of time, and now what we are trying is to take that land for lease and trying to cultivate. So this is architecture getting expand to new horizons, and we are thinking of getting into agriculture and other things. So yeah, maybe that's the beauty of it. We have never had the experience of cultivating or anything of that sort, but then we are seriously thinking about it right now. A lot of fun moments.